Did you know that the mouth is dark and full of bacteria? But these bacteria live harmoniously in our mouth without causing any damage. But when a biomedical device, such as a dental implant, is placed inside our mouth, there begins a race for the surface. The healing response of the body competes with bacteria in order to get to the finish line, the surface of the implant. And who reaches the finish line first is really important because that is a critical determinant in the fate of the implant. If the bacteria get to the finish line first, there is a high chance of developing an infection that may cause the implant to loosen and fail. What this means is that the patient has to revisit the dentist again and again. Today we know that despite aseptic measures and advances in dentistry, there is still up to a 50% chance of developing an infection. What if I told you though that there was a way to avoid all of this? What if I told you we could cheat in the race for the surface by altering the finish line? Surface modification techniques allow us to do this. In my research, I am using a bio-inspired coating made from a chemical found in the black resilient coatings found on muscles. This chemical is called polydopamine. The interesting thing about polydopamine is that it's like a double-sided tape, which means it can stick on to different types of implant materials, and then we can incorporate other antibacterial elements into it. In my research, I have demonstrated increased attachment of healthy cells and reduced attachment of bacterial cells through a single multifunctional coating. The ultimate outcome of my research is to reduce the need for revision surgeries so that once an implant is placed, it stays there for a long, long time. This means lesser visits to the dentist, lowered costs, and happier smiles.